warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. We have got you all the latest news and updates from the blockchain technology world. Plant, a leading global content provider in the financial information service industry and the holding company of knowledge portal CryptoWire, has collaborated with Google Cloud. The partnership with Google is aimed to develop the CryptoWire ecosystem that will cater to all stakeholders of the cryptocurrency and blockchain industry on a common platform. And now, let's take a look at the headlines. US banks form consortium to offer USDF stablecoin. Bitcoin trades above $43,000 as short sellers liquidate positions. Jack Dorsey announces plan for a Bitcoin legal defense fund. Nearly 90% of Bitcoin mining operations restored in Kazakhstan, but hash rate still lagging. A quarter of small businesses in 9 countries may accept cryptocurrencies as payment in 2022. Mercado Bitcoin operator buys Portuguese crypto exchange. Wealth advisors expect a third of Americans to buy Bitcoin by end of 2022. Thai bourse announces plan to start a digital asset exchange as crypto tax looms. Zero Hash raises $105 million to offer crypto products to financial companies. Tiny Bitcoin miner overcomes 1 in 1.4 million odd to solve a wallet block. A group of 5 Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation issued US banks have come together to offer its own stablecoin called USDF in a move to tackle concerns about the reserves behind non-bank issued equivalents. The founding members of the association include the New York Community Bank, NBH Bank, First Bank, Sterling National Bank, and Synovus Bank. The USDF stablecoin will be minted by member banks and redeemable for cash from any bank in the consortium. The consortium sees the stablecoin being used for applications such as capital call financing and supply chain finance. It's set to run on the Provenance blockchain, which was built by the fintech firm Figure Technologies, whose investors include Digital Currency Group. The consortium wants more financial institutions to join. The proposed stablecoin will provide stiff competition to centralized stablecoins like USDC and USDT. Bitcoin, the oldest cryptocurrency, traded above $43,000 Thursday, with futures traders betting on a downside in the crypto markets, losing over an estimated $82 million, reports said. The rebound was helped by December's Consumer Price Index data, which revealed that inflation is rising on par with expectations. US CPI rose 7% year-over-year in December for all items, the first time since 1982, according to Wednesday's report. Some crypto traders and investors view Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation, while others consider it as a risk asset like stocks, reacting to tightened monetary policy resulting from high inflation. Bitcoin traded at $43,635, up 2.2% in recent trades, while Ethereum, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded at $3,350, up 3.5%, data on CoinMarketCap showed. The cryptocurrency market capitalization too clawed back to trade above $2.08 trillion after rising over 3% in latest trades. Former Twitter CEO and founder Jack Dorsey has announced plans to create a Bitcoin legal defense fund with Chaincode Labs co-founder Alex Marcos and an academic at University of Sussex. Bitcoin developers received an email telling them about the fund. The email address appeared to belong to Dorsey. The announcement stated the fund will help provide a legal defense for Bitcoin developers who are currently the subject of multi-front litigation. The fund will be used to find and retain defense counsel, develop litigation strategy, and pay legal bills, it stated. Dorsey, who stepped down as Twitter CEO at the end of November 2021, is a long-time proponent of Bitcoin. Major Bitcoin mining firms in Kazakhstan have restored between 80% to 90% of productions after days of shutdown following writing. However, internet-linked issues after a government-mandated shutdown lingered, slowing down Bitcoin's overall hash rate recovery. According to Alan DogeCoin, head of the Kazakh National Association of Blockchain and Data Center Industry, Bitcoin mining operations could be restored fully within a week. Kazakhstan accounts for around 18% of Bitcoin's total processing activity, the world's second largest after the US. Almost a quarter of small businesses in 9 countries around the world plan to accept digital currency as a form of payment in 2022, a survey by Visa Incorporated revealed. The survey was based on responses from 2,250 small business owners across 9 countries, including the United States, Brazil, Singapore, and Canada. Small businesses outside North America are more open to accepting digital currencies, including Bitcoin, as form of payment. Visa found that more than 30% of small businesses merchant in the United Arab Emirates, Hong Kong, Singapore, and Brazil plan to offer customers the option to pay using crypto in the coming months. Mercado Bitcoin, Latin America's largest cryptocurrency exchange, bought a controlling stake in CryptoLoja, a Lisbon-based crypto exchange licensed by the Portuguese central bank in a bid to expand its global footprint. The new deal intends to help 2TM, the holding company of Mercado, start its expansion into Europe with over-the-counter exchange services. The company also plans to offer the service of Mercado Bitcoin to retail and institutional investors in Portugal. CryptoLoja founders Luis Gomes and Pedro Borges will remain co-heads of the business while assisting 2TM's expansion in Europe. 2TM used its stash of over $250 million that it raised in 2021 from investors just such as the Japanese financial giant SoftBank. Bitcoin supporter and Edelman Financial Engines founder Rick Edelman expects a third of Americans to own Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency becomes more mainstream. He was speaking on a CNBC program earlier this week. Edelman, who is set to release a book, The Truth About Crypto, thinks that governments, corporations, foundations, and pension funds are investing in Bitcoin. In a follow-up interview, he forecast that by 2023, there will have been spot ETF approval. His views were similar to United States Securities and Exchange Commissioner Hester Peirce thought. The Stock Exchange of Thailand has announced plans to roll out its own digital asset trading platform at the time the country's central bank is trying to stifle the crypto industry. Thailand's bourse said it will launch the Thai Digital Assets Exchange in the third quarter of the year to cater to the younger generation's interest in investment. Stock and crypto trading has surged in Thailand over the past year. There were 1.6 million new trading accounts in 2021, a 40% increase from the previous year. The Thai Revenue Department said it would finalize tax reporting requirements for crypto traders and miners by the end of this month. Thailand's central bank has repeatedly warned businesses and commercial banks away from dealing with crypto or accepting it as payments. CryptoWire, a crypto super app which also includes the channel Crypto TV, has announced the launch of India's first index of cryptocurrencies, IC15. The IC15 index is aimed at helping investors track the performance of top 15 widely traded liquid cryptocurrencies listed on leading crypto exchanges across the globe. That's all in the bulletin for now. Keep watching Crypto TV.